Hello, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sit down. Think. We are going to study about some application of trigonometry. In application of trigonometry, we are mostly study about the height and distance. Using trigonometry, we are going to find height and distance using trigonometry. In this problem, mostly related find the height of the tower, finding the height of a building, and distance between two buildings, or sometimes distance between observer and objects. Observer and
Objects.
So first of all, we are going to study about some tricks. Let us see. I am seeing the fan. अगर मैं फैन को देख रहा हूँ तो क्या होता है कि देखिए, अगर मैं फैन को देख रहा हूँ तो यहाँ से फैन मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट, फैन इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड माई इज एन ऑब्जर्वर. तो ऑब्जर्वर से लेके ऑब्जेक्ट तक जो लाइन होती है, स्ट्रेट लाइन. ऑब्जर्वर और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में जो लाइन होती है, दिस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दिस ऑब्जर्वर. The line, a straight line between the joining the observer and object. This line is known as the line of sight. Line of sight. Okay. Line of sight. And the straight line or horizontal line parallel to the ground. Horizontal line is a line parallel to the ground. The line which is parallel to the ground is known as the horizontal line. If angle formed by this is the line side and this horizontal line, this is an angle. If this angle theta is formed by an object which are above the horizontal line, above the horizontal line, then first time this angle is known as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Simply we say that when object is above the horizontal line, then angle of elevation is formed. Angle of elevation is formed. If I see the object on the ground, suppose there is a ball on the ground and I see that this object which on the ground, this is again known as the line of sight. But in this situation, the object is below the horizontal line. Object is below the horizontal line. Therefore, this angle is known as angle of depression. Very good. Known as angle of depression. Means in this topic, mainly we focus on angle of elevation, which angle is above the horizontal line, and angle of depression, the object below the horizontal line. Okay. In the first term, we study about the trigonometry, some trigonometry method. We have recall some trigonometry method. If triangle ABC is right angle, if triangle ABC is right angle at B, then side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. Okay. If here angle of acute angle theta, C is the theta, then as respect to them This line AB is opposite of the angle.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this line AB is known as
Perpendicular.
and with respect to theta, BC is known as
Base.
So here, as with respect to theta, we tell about the perpendicular sides, base, and side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. In trigonometric ratio, we have studied about this ratio. If perpendicular, P for perpendicular, B for base, then this ratio, trigonometric ratio is called as sine. Tan theta. Very good. Tan theta. If perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin theta. And base by hypotenuse, cos theta. Okay. If reciprocal of the if base by perpendicular is known as
Cos
theta. Hypotenuse by perpendicular cosec theta. And hypotenuse by base these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we are already studying first term. Okay. Using these trigonometric ratios and this applied to the objects and observer, we are going to find the height and the distance of the known as buildings, towers or monuments. इनकी हाइट निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल if in a town there is a 2 buildings, a small building which is 10 meter in height, this building is 10 meter, and another multi-store building which is along the another side of the road, if some person say सार्थक have question. सार्थक तो मन में क्वेश्चन है कि ये बिल्डिंग कितनी ऊंची होगी. मेरी बिल्डिंग तो 10 मीटर ऊंची है, भाई ये वाली बिल्डिंग मल्टी स्टोर मेरे आगे वाली जो बिल्डिंग है कितनी ऊंची होगी. तो सार्थक बहुत दिनों से सोच रहा था, तो उसने अपने कलीग से पूछा और दोनों ने कलीग पता किया कि भाई हम लोग अगर इसको यहाँ से एंगल देखेंगे और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन और एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन से हम इसका स्टडी कर सकते हैं. तो इमेजिन करते हैं, एक दिन सार्थक अपने दोस्त दिप्तांशु के साथ अपने बिल्डिंग के छत पे गए, टॉप पे गए, और इस टॉप से फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द स्मॉल बिल्डिंग अ बिल्डिंग ही सी द टॉप ऑफ द मल्टी स्टोर बिल्डिंग. If angle of elevation is 60 degree, angle of elevation is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of top of multi-story building is 60 degree from the top of building which is 10 meter high. At the same time, he observed that angle of depression with the foot of the tower, foot of the building, and angle of depression of foot of multi-story building is 45 degree. Then find the height of building, height of multi-story building and also distance between these two buildings. Okay. Question is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Any one of you are able to solve this problem? One. इतने सारे लोग हैं, ठीक है, एक को बुला लेते हैं। आचल कंप्लीट कर दो, ठीक है। आचल का थोड़ा सा तकलीफ है, आचल गलती नहीं करेंगे। दीप्तांशु तू कर लेगा? मैं एक बार तो दीप्तांशु बना ध्यान से बता ही देता हूं कि अगर यहां से हम लोग स्ट्रेट लाइन करते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल, ये जो एंगल इसके टॉप के साथ बना है, ये वाला एंगल, ये 60 डिग्री का है, ठीक है। और जो ये ग्राउंड के साथ यहाँ पे एंगल बना है, यहाँ पे ये एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, ये वाला जो एंगल है, ये कितना डिग्री है? 45 डिग्री। ठीक है, इसको इरेज जितनी जरूरत उतना लिख लो, फिर इसको इरेज कर देते हैं। ओके, इसकी जरूरत नहीं, इसको इरेज कर देते हैं। आप अपने अपने कॉपी में निकाल दो। वेरी गुड। दीप्तांशु ने क्या एक फिगर दिखाया। हियर AC is a multi-story building and CD is a building which is 10 meter. Okay. This is the angle of elevation. This is 60 degree, and this is the angle of depression 45. In this figure, this form a rectangle. It means its opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. In a rectangle, opposite lines are parallel. This is 45 degree. Therefore, this angle is also 45 degree. First of all, Diptanshu apply the tan 45. Means apply the right angle trigonometry in this triangle. In this triangle. In triangle ECD. In triangle ECD. Meaning observe that this CD is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 meter. CD is equal to 10 meter. Okay. But this BECD is a rectangle. It means opposite sides are equal. Therefore, CD is equal to B. Similarly, उसने यहाँ पे another triangle, जो triangle था triangle ABE में tan 60 लगाया, उससे उसको मिला वैल्यू मिला AB is equal to tan root 3. AB is equal to 10 root 3 meter. What is the value of root 3?
1.132.
Value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay. So I am multiplying. We get 17.32 meter height of the building.
No sir.
No, sir. Plus this.
Plus 10 meter.
Plus 10.
Sir, plus this.
Okay. Therefore, this is AB only the this is 10 and this is AB is 17.32. So height of multi-square building is AC. AC is equal to AB plus BC. So 17.32 plus 10 is equal to 27.32 meter. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. दीपांशु ने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है, ठीक है? अच्छा, ये प्रॉब्लम सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अब किसी के मन में कोई दूसरा क्वेश्चन है? बोलो, सिर्फ आगे आगे बोल दे। कौन सा?
Suppose a man which is standing on the top of tower observes a car at an angle of decretion of 30 degrees. The car is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of decretion of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Then find the time taken by the car to reach the tower from this point.
1 second read करो, एक बार read करो।
A man standing on the top of the tower observes the car at an angle of decretion 30 degrees. The car is approaching the foot of the tower with an uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of decretion of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point.
As per series, observer on the top of the tower, and from the top of the tower, observe the one vehicle or car whose angle of depression is before is 30 degree. After 6 seconds, this become 60 degree. If AB is the tower, C is the initial position of the car, and D is the position of the car after 6 seconds. Here, C is the position of the car, and initial position of the car. Initial, and D is is the position of a car after how many seconds?
6
After
seconds.
6 seconds. If observer at the point B, then this is the horizontal line and this is the initial point. The initial angle is 30 degree. After 6 seconds, angle becomes 60 degree. This means this angle become greater, which is 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
We also, first of all, we say, let's study about it.
What is it?
Horizontal line is always parallel to the ground.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, these two lines are parallel. Therefore, this angle BEBC and angle BC are corresponding angles
Yes.
or alternate angles.
Alternate.
Alternate angles. Very good. Because these make a Z, therefore these are alternate angles. And alternate angles are
Equal.
Equal.
Therefore, this is 30 degree. Similarly, angle BDA is 60 degree. Let the speed of a car, that is uniform speed of a car is x meter per second. Okay. Here if the CD is the distance. This the CD is the distance covered by a car in 6 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Distance covered by car in 6 seconds. Okay. As per speed, he cover x meter in 1 second.
Yes, sir.
X meter in 1 second. So, how many distance cover in 6 seconds? 6x.
6x.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
6x meter. And what is find? हमको फाइंड क्या करना है? After how many times he reach the foot of the tower? Foot of the tower. मतलब हमको फाइंड करना है कि AC में कितने टाइम तक पहुंचेगी. टाइम निकालना है. Time to cover the AC or reach the AC. Let us suppose that AD is the distance covered by a car in t second. How many second?
T seconds.
T second. Let us suppose that AD distance covered by a car in t second. And speed of a car is
X meter.
X
x
meter.
meter per second. Therefore, total distance AD is equal to
Yes.
Tx. Very good. Tx meter. In triangle BAD, in triangle BAD, angle is 60 degree. Therefore, we are going to apply the tan 60. AB is the perpendicular and AD is the base.
Yes.
If AB is the perpendicular distance, suppose height of tower is h.
H by T.
So, what is the value of tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3. Value of AB is h
H by T.
By T.
by tx. By simply solving, root 3px is equal to h. Similarly, in triangle ABAC, in triangle BAC, angle C is 30 degree. So by tan 30, applying tan 30, perpendicular is tan 30 na?
Yes, sir.
Tan 30. Here AB by AC. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. AB is h. Okay. And AC becomes AC means AD plus CD. AD plus CD. AD plus CD.
Yes, sir.
By cross multiplication, AD plus CD is equal to root 3x. Here AD is TX. CD is 6x. Root 3. If this is equation 1, then h is equal to root 3 tx.
Yes, sir.
Root 3 tx from 1. Therefore, tx plus cx 6x, root 3 into root 3 3 tx. This is the expression having 3 terms. All 3 terms have a x.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Therefore, divide by x. Dividing by
X.
x. Okay. By dividing by x, we get
X plus
t plus 6 is equal to 3t. By solving,
equals to 3.
equal to 2t is equal to 6.
Equals to 3.
Is t is equal to
3.
3. Means after 3 seconds, he cover the distance AD.
Yes, sir.
So from initial position, from position C, we take total 9 minutes, 9 seconds. How many seconds?
9 seconds.
Therefore, car required to reach the foot of the tower is 9 seconds. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone have more question? पूछे आगे पूछ लो.
A tower stand near an airport. The angle of elevation theta of the tower from the point on the ground is such that its tangent is pi by 12. Find the height of tower if the distance of observer from the tower is 120 meters.
Once again.
The tower stands near the airport. The angle of elevation theta of the tower from the point on the ground is such that its tangent is pi by 12. Find the height of tower if the distance of the observer from the tower is 120 meters.
Question है. Question number 11 ना.
Yes.
A tower stand near an airport. The angle of elevation theta of the tower from the point on the ground such that its tangent is pi by 12. If AB is the tower, point of the ground is theta. If this is the point of the ground, whose angle is theta. Such that the tangent is 5 by 12. Tangent is 5 by 12. Huh? Tangent is 5 by 12. The height of the tower, we have to find the height of the tower from the observer. If tower is 120 meter away, means BC is equal to 120. चलिए सब लोग ट्राई कीजिए, कौन करेगा? अभी तू करेगा? ट्राई कर रहा है? करके देखो ट्राई धीरे। Very good. Here tangent means tan ratio. Here tangent means tan ratio. Here angle is theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Okay. With respect to tan theta, but tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Keep perpendicular here. Perpendicular is the height of the tower, which is written as x meter. Height of the tower is x meter. So in this problem, what is the height of the tower?
50 mm.
Height of tower is 50 meter. ठीक है। In this way, next class we are study about the another few more problems on these topics. ठीक है। तो आप सब लोग रेफरेंस से अपने जो डाउट्स हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो निकाल के लाएंगे और कल इसके ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.